Hi, everyone. Welcome back. This is week 4 of For the Love of Homemade Kits. I am doing a page on something that's very personal. It is my weight loss journey. And this is using up that beautiful paper that had some writing, like dance or some things on it. And it was supposed to be like up at the top, but I put washi tape at the bottom so you can't even see it. And of course, I like a little black on my pages, so it worked out perfectly. So I wanted to kind of talk about my weight loss journey. It was a challenge over on the Mercy Tierra on her Facebook page. It was supposed to be, I didn't really go by the rules. It wasn't before and after, but was then and now. And this is kind of a variation of that. So I wanted to kind of talk about this. This is, like I said, it was kind of personal. Several years ago, the picture that is over on the left is my before picture, and it was at my heaviest. And I had been struggling with weight my whole life, but I've always been very healthy. As with my labs, always came back perfect. I didn't take any medication or anything, so I didn't really see the need to really worry about my weight until I got a test back, and it showed something that showed that I was obese. And even though I knew that I was, I didn't do anything about it because, I didn't see the need. And it's really bad that I should say this being a nurse. So, I was looking around at different programs that were out there, and I wanted to choose one. I had done Weight Watchers. It really didn't work for me in the past. I needed something that I could do privately, uh, and something that was diet. And if it required me to go to the gym 3 times a week, it wasn't an option because I know myself. I knew that I wasn't going to be able to go to the gym. It's just not my thing. I've never been athletic. I'm not into exercise. I will do yoga and I do walk, but it's not something that I wake up early to go do on a regular basis anyway. So I chose to use Beyond Diet. It's all online. There was wonderful support. They give recipes. In fact, I subscribe to their little magazine and they tell me what foods to buy. So it gives me a grocery list. It tells me the recipes, and it's been great. It took 14 months, and I lost 60 pounds. And that after picture was 14 months later. And I am so happy with this weight loss. It's been a little bit of a struggle to keep it off if I'm not consistent on the diet. So I know that if I don't stick with it wholeheartedly, then the weight does come back. So I try to stick as close to the diet as I can. There is one day a week that you can splurge and things that you enjoy. But for the most part, I do uh, recommend Beyond Diet for those that are looking for a weight loss program. The cost is very small. I can tell you one thing for sure. And you probably already know this, it is very expensive to eat healthy. It is so much cheaper to eat unhealthy. So just know that. So eating healthy just costs more, but your life is worth it. And you can see that I pulled out some alpha. This is the Freckle Fawn alpha that I just love this. It's so whimsical and so fun. And you can see there's a little journaling spot over here on the side. I do use that to journal the things I just spoke about. Anyway, thanks for joining me. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions about Beyond Diet, feel free to uh, contact me. You can also look at their website, beyonddiet.com. I normally don't. talk about things that are quite this personal on my channel, but I'm willing to share things that I know that I've had good success with, and I know other people struggle with weight loss. Um, so I just want you to know that there are other options out there besides, Jenny Craig and some other wonderful programs. I mean, I'm sure they're just great, and I know Weight Watchers works for some people. It just didn't work for me. So if you're finding that there is, other programs that just aren't working to you, and if you're looking for something that you have limited mobility and you're not able to exercise as much, but you still need to lose the weight, I do recommend this diet. And like with most diets, it's not a quick fix kind of a thing. It is a lifestyle that you need to maintain. Now that I wanted to just mention a few things about this. I did pull some things that were not in my kit, like that ampersand is an acetate piece, and then using the Heidi Swap Gold, which is, I'm kind of mixed about. I know it's being discontinued, and I do like it, but I use the Shimmers product that's similar to it that I like as well. Um, so it's been fun while it's been here, but I know all good things must come to an end. All right. So I think that's it. Um, you guys have a great day. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.